Hi children, welcome. Welcome to today's politics class. Children, we are discussing about understanding our criminal justice system. Today in this video, I'm going to explain about what is the role of the judge and about the what is fair trial. What is the role of the judge? The judge is like an umpire in a game and conducts the trial impartially and in an open court. The judge hears all the witnesses and any other evidences presented by the prosecution and the defense. The judge decides whether the accused person is guilty or innocent on the basis of the evidence presented and in accordance with the law. If the accused is convicted, the judge pronounces the sentence. He may send the person to jail or impose a fine or both, depending on what the law prescribes. What is a fair trial? Let us for a moment imagine what might have happened if the judge decided to try Shanti's case very differently. What if the court did not give a copy of the charge sheet and statement of witnesses to Shanti? What if held the trial in a secret location where neither Shanti nor Sushil were present? What if he did not give Shanti's lawyer, Advocate Roy, enough time to question the witnesses of the prosecution, such as Mr. Shinte, and instead had already decided that Shanti was guilty? If this had happened, then it would be a case of an unfair trial. This is because for a trial to be fair, several different procedures have to be observed. Article 21 of the Constitution, that guarantees the right to life, states that a person's life or liberty can be taken away only by following a reasonable and just legal procedure. A fair trial ensures that Article 21 of the Constitution is upheld. Let us now return to the Shanti's case as described in the storyboard and identify the essential elements of a fair trial. Firstly, Shanti was given a copy of the charge sheet and all other evidences that the prosecution presented against her. Shanti was charged with the offense of the theft that was defined as a crime in the law. The trial was held in an open court in public view. Her brother Sushil could attend the court hearings. The trial was held in the presence of the accused. Shanti was defended by a lawyer. Shanti's lawyer, Advocate Roy, was given an opportunity to cross-examine all the prosecution witnesses. Advocate Roy was given an opportunity to present witnesses in Shanti's defense. Although the police filed a case of the theft against Shanti, the judge assumed her to be innocent. It was the responsibility of the prosecution to prove beyond reasonable doubt that Shanti was guilty. In this case, the prosecution failed to do so. It is significant that the judge decided the matter only on the basis of the evidence before the court. The judge did not jump to the conclusion that Shanti was the theft just because she was a poor maidservant. Instead, the judge remained impartial, and since the evidence showed that some young men and not Shanti was the theft, he set Shanti free. In Shanti's case, justice was finally done to her because she was given a fair trial. The Constitution and the law both state that all of the persons that we have discussed in this chapter should carry out their roles in a proper manner. What this means is that they all need to work to ensure that every citizen, irrespective of their class, caste, gender, religious, and ideological backgrounds, get a fair trial when accused. The rule of law, which says that everyone is equal before the law, would not make much sense if every citizen were not guaranteed a fair trial by the Constitution. Okay, children, I'm going to wind up this video, and this chapter is also over. Now, you have to read this chapter many times and understand important points, then to given works. Thank you. Thank you to listening my class.